Okay, so Stone ESL class number 5, Friday, April 6th, 2012. Right, this is today. Good afternoon. Today is Friday, April 6th, 2012. Last week, we learned the word blend and looked at the vowel sounds of English. We learned the long vowel sounds and the short vowel sounds. Today we are going to review the long and short vowel sounds, and we are going to blend consonant sounds too. All right, so let's read together, okay? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Today is Friday.
Today is Friday.
April 6th,
April 6th,
2012.
2012.
Last week we learned
Last week we learned
the word blend.
the word blend
Good. And
and
looked at the vowel sounds
look at the vowel sounds
of English.
of English.
Good. We learned
We learned
the long vowel sounds
the long vowel sounds
and the short vowel
and
sounds.
the short vowel sounds.
Sorry. Today we are going
Today we are going
to review the
to review the
long and short vowel sounds.
long and short vowel sounds.
And we are going to
And we are going to
blend consonant sounds too.
blend consonant sounds too.
Okay, good. All right. So last week, this is just a quick review. So this word blend, right? Blend. It means to take two things, right? And to put them together and make one thing, right? So, for example, last week I showed you the picture of the concrete and the glass, right? And you take the concrete and the glass downstairs and you blend it together and you make ice stone, right? Okay, so the word blend, to put two things together. And you should write that down if you haven't already. Okay, so we also last week reviewed vowel sounds, right? So we have the long vowels and we have the short vowels, right? So let's review the long vowels. We have A,
A,
E,
E,
I,
O,
O,
U,
U. Good, those are the long vowels, right? And we have the short vowels, right? So we have A,
A,
E,
E,
I,
E,
A,
A,
and
O.
Okay. So let's do these in a different way so you can hear the difference a little clearer. So we have A,
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 E,
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 I,
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 E,
O,
O,
A,
A,
U,
U,
O.
O.
All right, so, and now we'll say the words. So we have A in the word say, right? We have the long E in the word read,
Read,
right? We have the long I in the name Mike,
Mike,
right? We have the long O in the name Gonpa,
Goma,
right? We have the long U in the word new,
New,
right? Now for the short sounds, we have the short A in the name Daphna, right? Ah, Daphna. We have the short E in the word blend, right? That E is the short E, ah. We have the short I in the name Jinpa, right? Jinpa. We have the short O in the name, in my name, Rob, and we have the short U in the name Kunchuk, right? Kunchuk. So you should keep practicing these, right? A, I, E, I, O, U, O. You should keep practicing these, right? Because the more you say it, The more your ear will really hear the difference, okay? Okay, so, let's see. Okay, so the vowel letters are, what's this? A, right? E, I, O, right, and these are the vowel letters, right? These letters are vowels. And the consonant letters is everything else, or everything else, right? So we have B, C,
D, F, G,
H,
J, K, L, M, N, E, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Good. So these are the letters that are consonants, right? There's no vowels here. There's no A, right? There's no E. So this is everything else in the alphabet. These are the consonants. Okay, so today what we're going to do, we're going to continue blending sounds together. So last week, you remember, we blended the short vowel sounds, right? So for example, we had right, this is a B sound, ba. This is a short A sound, which is a. And this is a T sound, right? So it's the word bat, right? Bat. And last week we were focusing on the short vowel sounds, right? This week we're going to blend consonants, right? So we're going to use all of these sounds and start blending words with these sounds today, okay? So let me hand this out to you. Okay, so this is the sheet for today. And if you look at the top, right, it says final consonant blend and number 1. Okay, so if you look up here, right, we're going to start blending consonants. So the words that we did last week had mostly 3 letters, right? We have B-A-T, right? Only 3 letters. So today we're going to start doing 4 letters. Right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And we're going to be looking at the consonant sounds at the end of the word, right? So we're going to be looking at those sounds, right? So this word right here, there's a B. What sound is that? Ba, right? There's a short E sound, which is right? Like in tube 10, And then we have an N and a D. So what happens if we blend these 2 sounds together, right? The word is bend, right? Bend. So you can hear the B, you can hear the short E, and you can hear the N and the D sound at the end, right? Bend.